How to get notes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get notes on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to get notes on Instagram, it's very simple. Go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where if you go to the DMs page, you should be able to see a list of notes over here. And what if you're not being able to see these notes? Well, if you're not being able to see these notes, it's very simple. It just means that you need to update your Instagram app. So open up your Play Store and then in the search box just type in Instagram over here. Once you type in Instagram, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version, because after you update the Instagram application, automatically when you open it next time, you should be able to get the notes option here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.